So I'm going to show you how to add your contact information on the lock screen of your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So what you need to do is simply go to the lock screen settings. The easiest way is to go to the lock screen, long press an empty space, tap on customize lock screen, and then give your password. And then now you can scroll and find more lock screen settings. Now from here, you should see the option add text on lock screen. Tap on that. And then now you can add your contact information. So let's say you can add, for instance, your email address. Okay. Like that. And then tap on save. And then now that information is always going to be on your lock screen. So in case you forget your phone somewhere or you lose it, from the lock screen, someone can simply email you and you can talk to that person. And that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.